How you doing today, my friend? This is Gerald Bass, G Bass Wealth Tips reporting live for one of my properties out here in East Point, Georgia. I'm actually getting some sunshine this morning, making a few calls. But I wanted to shoot a quick video this morning on why your website is not bringing you the leads that you want. Why your website is not bringing you the leads that you want. But before I get into the information, I want to tell you that tomorrow night, Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm hosting a 100% free workshop where you'll discover an automated system that can generate 400 leads for your business. You're going to be able to discover an automated system that can generate 400 leads for your business. And I'm not a guy that actually talks a bunch of theory. I'm not one of your online gurus, straight facts, straight results. I'm actually going to share with you how I was able to generate over 400 leads for my business utilizing an automated system. Not only that, I've trained, coached, and mentored several other entrepreneurs across the globe on how to do the same thing. And so to get registered for that workshop, you simply want to go over to www.gbasswebinars.com, www.gbasswebinars.com. I'm going to leave the link either below on top of this video. Okay, I'm going to leave the link either below on top of this video. Just click the link, put your name and email in the form. Okay, you don't need a debit or credit card. It's absolutely free. And you'll get access to this workshop tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, feel free to share it around with your team and anybody else you feel may benefit. So with that said, let's dive into the information today on why your website is not bringing you the leads you want. Now, I'm going to tell you this. I actually come from a home-based business space, and you may be looking at this video today, and you may be in a home-based business space, or you may have a brick-and-mortar business, traditional business, online business, any type of business. And a lot of times when I see a lot of people's sites, what the problem is usually they don't have on their site a way to be able to capture people's information, a way to be able to capture people's information. So they're getting traffic, they're posting their links online, getting traffic over to their site. But when people go over to their site, they may scroll for maybe 30 seconds to a minute or so, and then they leave. And they have no way of literally following up with that potential prospect, customer, or client for their business. Okay. That's literally usually the problem. And usually with a lot of home-based business owners is that they're literally marketing their company replicated site. Like I actually come from the network marketing space as well. I've literally reached the top of a couple of network marketing companies within 5 years. And I can tell you this, in most network marketing companies, they don't really teach you this in regards to having things or having systems in place. When people go to your site, you're able to capture their information and be able to follow up with them on complete autopilot. And so that's what I'm actually going to be sharing tomorrow night on the workshop on how you literally can have an automated system for your business that sifts and sorts prospects for you on 100% autopilot. By not having this system in place, you're actually losing a lot of money for your business, because those can be potential customers, clients, business partners for your business, but you have no way of following up in regards to people that's coming to your site. I'm going to be sharing with you the exact system I utilize to generate over 400 leads for my business tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So you definitely want to be on this workshop tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you got some value out of this video. Feel free to share it around on Facebook, share it around on Twitter, share it with your team, share it with anybody you feel may benefit, anybody you know who could use additional leads for their business. Because one thing I know is that if you don't have leads, you don't have a business. If you're in lead poverty, you're not getting consistent flow of traffic and leads to your sites, you're not making any money, you know. And so with that being said, you definitely want to share with anybody else you may feel may benefit as well. Comment below if you have any questions in regards to the workshop or what I shared today on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Go over to YouTube, subscribe to the page, Gerald Bass, as I have more free training videos just like this. Again, tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm hosting a 100% free workshop where you discover how to generate 400 leads for your business. Just go over to www.gbasswebinars.com, put your name and email in the form, and you'll get access to this workshop for absolutely free. Like I say, just click the link either below on top of this video, and you'll have access to the workshop tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. With that said, this is Gerald Bass, G Bass Wealth Tips. Have a phenomenal day on purpose.